Retired Premier Soccer League legend Vuyo Mere has urged Orlando Pirates teenager Mbekezeli Mbokazi to stay disciplined and protect his career after a controversial video of the youngster surfaced on social media. The clip, which went viral on Tuesday, shows the 19-year-old defender relaxing with award-winning musician Big Zulu along with Njabulo Langa and Quality Biela beside a table stacked with drinks. The footage has triggered heated debates, with many questioning whether the budding star is surrounding himself with the right company. Mbokazi has been one of the brightest discoveries at Pirates since former coach Jose Rivero handed him a senior debut last season. His rapid rise continued this month when he earned his first Bafana Bafana cap, with national team coach Hugo Broos hailing him as a future European export. But Mere, who enjoyed a 23-year top-flight career before retiring at 41, warned that talent alone is not enough to survive at the highest level, and said it's not a fluke where he is now. He must ask himself what he did to get here. How did he become captain of Orlando Pirates at his age? Everything he did was good. Why would he want to introduce new things? Yes, there are things you can't control. People wanting to associate with you, they can be around you, but are you mentally strong? Are you disciplined enough to say no to the wrong things or to see them before they come? Mere cautioned that not everyone entering a youngster's circle has pure intentions and urged Mbokazi to stay grounded, and said a lot of people will come claiming they have good intentions that are not good. I just hope he continues living the life he was living before becoming Pirates captain. It's easy to get to the top, but staying there is the real challenge. Echoing Broos's belief that Mbokazi has potential to break into European football, Mere stressed that discipline will determine whether he fulfills that promise, and that he must realize he has the world on his shoulders. If he stays disciplined, he can go further than even he imagines. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.